Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Very excited about today's video. We have a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. We're doing an awesome lift kit. We're doing the 5-inch BDS performance lift kit with the Fox Reservoir shocks. And then we're doing a 22x12 Vossens HFX-1 wheels in the gloss black finish. And some 35 1250 22 Toyo RT Pros. This truck's going to look amazing. The tire's going to be aggressive. The stance on the wheel's going to be aggressive. There will be some fender and bumper modifications on this truck, but it should look pretty nice. So I'm going to get out now and show you the truck and check it out and tell me what you think. There's not much better you could ask for walking into work on a Thursday morning. Kind of forgot that I scheduled this truck for today, and I'm very excited about it. The customer and I have been going back and forth for a couple of weeks on the design of this truck, and today is the day. Like I said, we're going to be doing a set of gloss black Vossens HFX-1 wheels. They look amazing. I'll throw a picture of the wheel up so you can see what it's going to look like real quick. Anyways, this truck's getting that 5-inch BDS kit, so it's going to be a very nice lift kit, very nice look when it's done. I love this truck. The white color looks amazing. The Vader chrome on the grill. Of course, you guys remember from the old videos, this piece is Vader chrome on the 2024, which is this color. They had some issues with that finish in 24, so in 25 they came back and put gloss black on all the Denali Ultimates right there. So subtle change to the front end, but I think I like the black trim better. Let me know what you think in the comments. We're about to get started on this truck. so we have this 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate ready to go, and I feel like we've unlocked a new package. Every once in a while we'll come across a lift tire and wheel combo that just fits, and it just seems like, you know what, we should start pushing this in the future because this worked out pretty good. So here's what we did. We did the 5-inch BDS kit with the Fox 2.5 race ready shocks. They're amazing. They look awesome. The orange shocks, they look a lot different than those 2.0 silver shocks. You know, if you pull up on your buddy with a set of these, he's definitely going to know you spent more money on it. So this truck with 22x12 Vossens HFX-1s in that gloss black finish with a 35 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tire, this is a good setup. All we did was a mud flap delete and some minor trimming on the plastic, and this truck fits. So I'm going to get out of the truck and I'm going to show you everything about it. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments, and like I said, enjoy. Here's our final product for our Denali Ultimate build. This is that one that I think is going to be a hit. I think a lot of people are going to like this. Check out the stance. We're on a 22x12 wheel, 35-inch tire with a 5-inch BDS kit. And I'm not downing anything else that I've sold on this, you know, or marketed on this channel before, or, you know, showed you. Cognito, McGoy's, all those other companies are great and they all have their own, but I didn't know BDS was really doing it like this. This looks pretty good. I like the cross member. I like the design of it. I like that little badge. The angles of the axles are great. I know BDS is a great part, so I like to sell everything that's good. So whatever you want to buy, whatever is better for you, whatever you like, you know, that's what you should get. We are running the stock upper control arm on this. It's at perfect angle. You don't need to change it for any reason other than looks. This is that Fox Performance Elite Series shock, 2.5-inch diameter. Very, very nice shocks. These are cream of the crop right here. Everything looks good on the kit. I like the way that BDS does things. They're very thorough with their designs. They don't cheap out on anything. All the parts are big and sturdy looking, so I like it a lot. The wheel on this truck is the Vossens HFX-1. This is the 22x12. That's why you see that depth to it like that, and that's why it sticks out of the truck. They sell these in different sizes, so you've seen this wheel on my channel in like a 22x10 before. It looks good either way, but the wheel does look different in the different widths. The tire we went with on this is the 35 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. This is that new hot mud tire everybody's loving. It's the only mud tire we sell with a mileage warranty, 45,000 miles. Very quiet, smooth riding tire for the class that it's in. I love this tire. It's kind of the new hot thing. I think we're doing it on a lot of the new builds that's moving forward with. This is a very nice truck. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'm going to attach a price at the end of this video showing what the cost of this build. I'm sorry I'm stuttering and messing up with my words. It's hot out here right now, and this is like the third truck in a row I've filmed in the last probably hour and a half, so it's kind of, I'm just drenched in sweat and it's hot, but the truck looks awesome. I wanted to say thank you to the customer again. I know he came based on a video he saw on my channel, so I gotta say I appreciate him for that, and everybody else watching. If you can't come see me, reach out. I appreciate the input on what you've done on your trucks and stuff like that, so give me a call whenever. 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.